Hey trainers, welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to find Giovanni in Pokemon Go, the leader of Team Go Rocket. First, to even encounter Giovanni, you will need a Super Rocket Radar. Here's how to get it. Complete special research tasks like Shadow Skimmers or other rocket related quests, and at the end you will usually be rewarded with a Super Rocket Radar. Once you have it, equip the Super Rocket Radar and you will start seeing possible Giovanni location at Pokestops or in Team Rocket balloons. So once you have the Super Rocket Radar, you will hopefully find Giovanni near Pokestop or in Team Rocket balloons or on the map. You can see it by simply doing like this. You will simply see it flying in the sky. But here's the trick. Some of them will be decoy with Team Rocket grunts pretending to be Giovanni. You need to check multiple stop or balloons until you find the real one. When you finally encounter him, you'll see the true Giovanni battle screen. That's when you know you are or you have found the real boss. Save your Super Rocket Radar until you are ready with strong encounters or strong counters, because Giovanni always uses tough shadow Pokemon. So make sure you have Pokemons that are strong against shadow Pokemons. And that's it guys. Now you know exactly how to track down Giovanni in Pokemon Go. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and share this with your Pokemon Go friends. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.